Yes, chain rule, small topic in time and work. So here M1 men, D1 days, H1 hours, W1 work. So here M2 men, D2 days, H2 hours, W2 work. So here M1 and M2 are men. So D1, D2 days, H1, H2 hours, W1, comma W2 work. This formula used in suppose 10 men can do the piece of work in 10 men can do the piece of work in 5 days. 20 men can do the same piece of work in how many days? So here M1 and D1 is given. That's why you can take M1, D1, M2, D2. So here 10 ones are 10 twos are. So 2.5 days dt equal to 2.5 days. Okay, sir. Open. If 20 men can build a wall 112 meter long in 6 days, what length of a wall similar can be built by 25 men in 3 days? So here wall means W1, that is the W12. So in D1 in 6 days, D1 equal to 6 days, M1 equal to here M1 equal to 20. But he is given M2 equal to 25 and D2 equal to 3. But you are asking W2. So here you know M1 D1 H1 by W1 equal to M1 D1 H1 by W1 equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2. Hours is not given, so that's why M1 D1 by W1 equal to M2 D2 by W2. So here M1 equal to 20 men in 6 days, 112 meter long wall be built. So M2 is 25 men in 3 days, same type of wall, how much long can be he build? So W2. So here 4 5s are 4 2s are 28s are, so 2 3s are 2 14s are 3 3 cancel, 5 1s are 5 5 5s are, so W2 equal to 70 meters. So once again, if 20 men can build a wall 112 meter long in 6 days, what length of a wall similar can be built by 25 men in 3 days? This is the unitary method or chain rule. M1 D1 H1 by W1 equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2 is given M1 equal to 20, so into 6 by W1 equal to 112 meter, so M2 equal 25 into 3 by W2, so W2 equal to 70 meters. If 18 binders bind 900 books in 10 days, how many binders will be required to bind 660 books in 12 days? So here 18 binders, that means M1 equal to 18. So bind W1 equal to 900 in days, D1 equal to 10 days. So how many binders will be required to bind 660 books, that is W2 equal to 660 in 12 days, D2 equal to 12 days. He asking M2. So that's why M1 D1 by W1 equal to M2 D2 by W2. So here M1 equal to 18, D1 equal to 10 by W1 equal to 900. Here MT equal to don't know. So dt equal to 12 by 660. So here 0 0 0 0. So 9 1s are 9 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 6 1s are 6 11s are. So M2 equal to 11. Binders will be required to 660 books in 12 days. Once again, if 8 binders bind 900 books in 10 days, how many binders will be required to bind 660 books in 12 days? So here you already know M1 D1 H1 by W1 equal to M2 DT H2 by W2. So here M1 equal to 18, W1 equal to 900, D1 equal to 10, M2 equal to don't know, so should be find M2, W2 equal to 660, DT equal to 12. So here M1 D1 by W1 equal to M2 D2 by W2. So here 18 into 10 by 900 equal to M2 into 12 by 660. So cancellation 0 0 0 0, 9 1s are 9 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 6 1s are 6 11s are. So MT equal to 11 binders. Of men can do a job in 12 days if there are 9 men more, the job is complete in 3 days less. How many men will be required to do the job in 18 days? So, a certain number of men can do the job in 12 days. Suppose you can take X men in 12 days. Then, if there are 9 men more, already X men is there, so that's why 9 men is more, X plus 9. The job is 3 days less. Generally can do the work in 12 days, but 9 men more joined in that work, 3 days less he can take. That is 12 minus 3, 9 days. So 12x equal to 9x plus 81. So that is 3x equal to 20, 3x equal to 81. So 3 ones are 3 27s are. So x equal to 27 days. So here a certain number of men, that is 27 men can do the work in 12 days. 27 men can do the work in 12 days. So here certain number of men, that is you can take x, that's why x equal 27. 27 into 12. But he is asking 18 days the job will be completed, how many men will be required? So that is you can take M1 into 18. So here 6 3s are, 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 9s are. So 18 men is required. So once again. So here a certain number of men can do a job in 12 days. If there are 9 men more, the job is completed in 3 days less. How many men will be required to do the job in 18 days? So certain number of men can take x, that is x into 12. So 9 men more join, already x man is there, that is the x plus 9. So here 9 men more join, the work will be can take 3 days less. That's why 12 minus 3, 9. So 12x equal to 9x plus 81. So x equal to 27. That means a certain number of men do the job in 12 days. So that means 27 men can do the job in 12 days. So he is given how many men will be required to do the job in 18 days will be completed. So that is, so M1 into 18, so calculation 6 2s are, 6 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 9s are. So 18 men will be required, completed the job in 18 days. So 12 men or 18 women can reap a field in 14 days. What is the number of days that 8 men and 16 women will take to reap it? So here 12 men or 18 women, 12 men or 18 women can reap a field in 14 days, can reap a field in 14 days. That means, so here according to this equation 12 men equal to 18 women. So that means 1 man equal to 18 women by 18 by 12 women. So 2s are 3s are. So that is 3 by 2 women. But he asking 8 men and 16 women will take to repeat. So 8 men plus 16 women same field repeat in how many days? So here convert into women's or men's. So 8 into 3 by 2 women plus 16 women. So that is 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 into 3 12 women plus 16 women. So that is 28 women. So here 8 men plus 16 women convert into 28 women. So here 18 women in M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. So here 18 women 14 days. So 18 into 14 M2 equal to 28 days. 28 into D2. So 14 ones are 14 twos are 2 ones are 2 nines are D2 equal to 9 days. So once again here 12 men or 18 women can reap a field in 14 days. What is the number of days that 8 men and 16 women will take to repeat? So that means 12 men or 18 women, that is 12 men equal to 18 women. So here 12 men equal to 18 women. So convert into either men or women. So here me convert into women. That means 1 man equal to 3 by 2 women. So that is, if you want 8 men and 16 women can reap the field in how many days? So here convert into women. So 8 into 3 by 2 women plus 16 women. So that is 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 into 3 12 women plus 16 women 28 women. So here M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. So that means 18 women in 14 days. 12 men or 18 women 14 days. So suppose you can take M1 here, this is the D1. So M1 18 D1 14. So MT equal to, so 28 women can do D2. So here 14 ones are 14 twos are 2 ones are 2 nines are. So dt equal to 9 days. This is the procedure. If we want shortcut, so 1 by, here R symbol is given, that time only is this shortcut will be work out. So R is given 1 by, you can take 1 by. If we want 8 men and 16 women, that take numerator 8 men and 16 women. So here then next, so 12 men in 14 days should be right in 12 men in 14 days. So then next 18 women in 14 days should be right in here. 18 women in 14 days. So plus once again 1 by, you can take, if you want 8 men and 16 women will take to repeat. So that means you can take numerator, then in denominator 12 men in 14 days, that's why 12 into 14. 18 women, here women, 16 women. So in denominator you can write 18 into 14 days. That means 18 women can do the work in 14 days. So here 1 by, you can take common 1 by 14. Then next 4 twos are 4 threes are, that is 2 by 3. So then next 2 eights are 2 nines are. So that is 8 by 9. So here 1 by 14 plus LCM is 9. 1 by 14 LCM is 9. 6 plus 8. So 14 cancel. 1 by 1 by 9. So that means 9 days once again. So this is the shortcut. So can take 1 by. If you want 8 men and 16 women will take to repeat how many days? So 8 men in 16 women in write in here numerator. In denominator, so 12 men in 14 days, 18 women in 14 days. That's why men's, so 12 into 14, women's 18 into 14 should be common 1 by 14. 4 2s are 4 3s are, that is the 2 by 3. So here 2 8s are 2 9s are, that is the 8 by 9. You can take LCM 9, 3 3s are 3 into 2 6, 9 1s are 8. So 14 14 cancel, 1 by 1 by 9, that is the 9 days. Hello.